Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Maggie. It's a collaboration with myself, Unique Whimsy, and Don H Creates. We post every Friday a project that we have already prompted ourselves, discussed it, discussed the project that we're going to be making every Friday. And this week is supposed to be brag books. What I'm going to show you, at the end, of course I love it at the end, but during the process of this creation was a hassle for me. I don't like to have hassle projects. Anyway, I used mostly paper from the Sunny Days collection. I also used a few sheets from here and there as well as Bloom. I used some stickers from Sandy Lion and I don't remember where else, but mostly Sunny Day projects. So here is the little brag book. It was not supposed to look like this at first, but of course I love it now. So let's see if I can't get it all in frame for you. And we'll just dissect it here. This is some baker's twine that I put in a little knot, and I glued the end so they wouldn't unravel with some art glitter glue. On the front is some stickers. Where's the sticker brand from? I think this came from the Target Dollar Spot. At one point, I showed you this before when I used them in the stickier side of crafting collaboration, but I wanted to use them again because I chose a sea or beach theme. I don't know where this sticker is from, and this one is the Sandy Lion. And most of the other stickers you'll see are from the Sunny Days collection. So wherever you see the big spots, I feel that it should be a picture there, you know, a wallet size or a big picture or something like that, or even cut out shapes. And I thought this little pelican would be cute right there, happy with you, and it's like looking down at the sand, so I thought that would be really pretty. I usually try to put my sentiments at the bottom versus the top, but sometimes you get sun-kissed, right? And I thought this would be cute because the colors go really well. This paper, even though it's solid paper, is from the Sunny Days collection. This one is not. This is from Bloom. Sun-kissed in this little swimsuit. I like swimsuits like that. And then this right here, I don't know what these flags say, but it's a little lighthouse. And then this is from Here and There. And then I also used some K & Company little strips in random spots. Even though this looks kind of busy, you know, you can write yourself a note about what happened in this caption. You know, we went to the beach and we saw some seashells or a lighthouse, blah blah blah. Or you can write up there. It's a little brag book, right? So you can brag about whatever's going on if you go on vacation. And so I made this little triangle pocket. I thought that would be really cool just to cover up some of this brown, even though I'm not ashamed of it. This is from the Here and There collection. I just thought it would be nice so the person, you know, would know it's a pocket. You put something in the pocket and another picture. So all the blank spaces are for pictures. I don't have any beach pictures. I haven't been to the beach in forever. So I don't have any beach pictures to share with you to see how it would look. And I didn't want to cut any paper down to actually make little frames because I feel like if I'm sending this to someone that watches my channel, then they'll know, hey, put a picture here. And then it also says about this photo. So then you turn it over, and then Sunny Days sticker, which I think goes well with the paper because it is from that collection. You get this little, excuse the glare, this camera, and it's just splish splash. And then you have her. I mean, she's just a swimsuit, and she's like walking on a beach, right? And she spots this sea ship, this boat, and it says live well, laugh often, love much. And then this is the back, and it just says hope. And I just made a little knot with some twine. I glued it down with the art glitter glue, and that's my project. And you know, if you're worried about the pages not folding over on themselves, they do fold over very well onto themselves, so no need to fret about that. I, at the end, love how it came out, but making this project it beat me over the head with with the problems. But I do like how it came out. I could have did this in a much simpler form than what I originally started out with. But anyway, check out the description box. Go over and show the lady some love. Tell them I sent you if you haven't been there yet. They make amazing products. They're amazing people. So I'm so happy that we're doing this collaboration together. Until next time, happy crafting.